okay bang sa labas gawin? Kaya
Hindi,
hindi
hindi.
ang gulo. Yan. Okay, the other one.
And the other.
Okay. Okay, so what we will do is first, sige, let's get the ano. Can you get the bread? Okay, lagay mo muna yung bread here. Hindi, put the one bread here muna. Yan, put it there. There. Hindi, lagay mo lang doon. Hindi, put the bread there. Hop, saglit lang. Okay, next. Oh, put it in the center. Put it in the middle. This bread, put it in the middle. Put it in the middle here on the...
Just like when you're making the burger.
Hindi, yun ito lang.
Isa lang, isa lang. Isa lang,
Isa
isa lang.
Put it in the middle.
Lagay mo sa
Middle
gitna.
ng plate.
Yan.
Oh, put the ham.
Gusto mo palang video, ha?
Put it in the middle naman ng bread. In the middle ng bread. Middle ng bread!
Igitna mo yung ham sa bread.
Put it in the middle like that, oh.
Diyos ko naman.
Ano naman sa instruction? May video ba yan?
Oo.
Oh, put the cheese.
Oh.
Oh, in the middle again. Ayusin mo. Oh, remove mo yung paper. Remove mo yung paper. Oh, ayun na may paper. Oh, remove mo. Yan. Good job. Okay. Oh, ayusin mo yung middle ng ano.
Nakapit. Nakapit kasi.
Okay.
Ayan.
Good job.
It's okay.
Put the lettuce. Ay, lettuce muna ba? Ay, no.
Ito,
Sorry.
mas ka-
Tama, sige. Put it there. Ito muna pala.
Like you know,
Put the mayonnaise.
in the lettuce.
The mayonnaise muna. Bitawan mo yan.
Bitawan
Bitawan
mo muna.
mo.
Yan. Okay, it's okay. No, just drop it there. Drop it there. There. Bitawan mo lang, drop. Yan. Okay. Oh, then you...
You put the mayonnaise on the Sige.
Yan.
Okay.
Okay na yan.
Oh, okay. Tama na. Oh, use the, to spread it. Bigyan mo ng picture.
Ay, okay.
Picturean mo para habang ginagawa niyo. Sige, spread it. Yan. Yan.
Uh-oh. Ayaw sa middle.
Kailangan sa middle.
Put it there. Put it back on the Okay. Now put the lettuce here.
Put the lettuce again. Here.
Yes. Spread natin yung lettuce. Yan. O put the tomatoes.
Put tomato.
Picture.
About onions.
Walang onion na ko.
Not a break.
Not available.
It's soy.
Ay, sumilagay mo dito yung isa.
Oo.
Yan.
Okay, put the Put the sandwich, the other
Ham.
bread.
Yung ano.
The other ham, sorry.
Other ham.
Okay.
Yan. Saka yung other cheese din.
Oo, sige.
Yan.
Ay, sino naman na? The other cheese.
Other cheese.
Nagpapamulit-it. Yan.
Ganyan.
Yan. Sige.
Oo.
It's okay.
Yay! Already in the middle.
Oh, the remaining cheese. Put the remaining cheese.
Ano cheese? Bread.
Ito.
Ayun, dito. Oh, nahulog yung cheese. Put it here.
Very good.
Oh, then the bread.
And
Then you hold it and then you smile at the camera. Yeah. Look at the camera. Look here. Ellie.
Wait lang. Yan, one more. Picture.
Picture.
Ang ganda mo dyan naman.
Okay. Kunyari, eat mo. Dali. Eat mo daw.
Let's go. Taste it.
Taste it. Yum, yum.
Bakit ganyan yung hawak mo sa sandwich?
You like it? Ganun ka na. Ay, hindi pala pwede. Hindi, anak. Ganito yung hawak ko. Like, ganyan. Yan.
Like this.
Yes. Like that.
Uh-oh.
Hindi nahulog.
Uh-oh.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Hindi nga, kasi ganito nga yung hawak. Ganyan.
Wait lang, anak. Yan. Tapos,
Okay.
Eat.
Look here while eating. Yum, yum.
Okay na?
Okay na po.